I'm finally from the salon and I'm now getting ready to do my hair. Let me show you the braids I'll be using. I'm risking a certain color that I've never tried before. Whichever way it will turn out, I don't care. This is the hair I'll be using. I'm so excited but scared at the same time. But you know what? I've been wanting it for the longest time. I have to do it this time round. I really have to do it. I want to do knotless twists with knots in the end using Spanish. I almost forgot to mention the Spanish, but yeah, here it is. Let me hope for the best. So I'll start with parting my hair, but I'll prefer to do it off camera because it will take me so much time since I want to concentrate on the mirror first and then I come to show you the progress thereafter. Today you have to know that it's not as hard as you think. You can do your hair by yourself. I finally managed to divide this hair into 3 parts. First one, second one, and the third one. But for the third one, this back side, let me show you.
A fool could leave the sky, there's nothing.
I had to do it off camera because it needs a lot of attention. I was using 2 mirrors, one from the front and one from the back. So I think I can try this using the camera. Let's see.
Flower, I hope your future is warm and bright. In the meantime, brush your innocent hair. Feel warm inside. You let me know.
Finally, I'm done with partitioning the hair. So I think I'll start from the back, though just in case nichoke. Utapata nishamalizana na this back part because it's a little bit strenuous compared to this front part. So acha ningangane na nyuma kwanza. I had shown you the braid. There you go. You find like this one bunch. I don't know if I should call it a bunch, but this one bunch has 2 braids. And these 2 braids, I'll have to separate them twice. No, twice or thrice. Yeah.
Myself.
Let me bring my wax and then I get into the work.
No exception, you will meet with disaster. That's why I hope your future is warm and bright. In the meantime, brush your innocent hair. Feel warm inside. You let me know if it.
This will be like a tutorial to you. So I'll be using these small extensions. I cut the hair into 2 halves and then divided it into other small portions. So I have my hair parted already. Have applied wax. So you just start with, it's like you're doing knotless. You start with braiding your natural hair. Make sure it's well done and neat from the roots. After this, you can now come in with your extensions.
We're happy now. We can never be like fear. No matter what, I'll protect you.
For now, I'm just done with fixing the roots. I want to extend the length a little bit. Nataka kuweka knots huku chini. So let's get into it.
Took a little bit of acid, a little bit of shrooms. Did that tree just talk or was it you? I can feel the sun on my skin. Feel my face melting. Existential bliss.
It has taken me hours. Yo! But these are the results. Zimetokea fiti. I love it. Imagine I started at p.m. It's currently 11:30 p.m. Although I've been taking breaks, let's first style it. Tuone venye itakuwa. Tujue kama tutakuwa kitchen styles. There you go. I think I love this style. Itabidi mmenizoea na hii hairstyle. Anyways, I love it. I love this vlog. If you want to see more of this again and again, kindly comment. I've enjoyed doing this, even though I'm a bit tired, but I'm happy. I've accomplished something. We meet tomorrow, or we meet in my next vlog. If you would love this and engage with it, like, comment, and share. If you will engage with this positively, I'll definitely do another one. Anyways, thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe for more. Bye.
Took a little bit of ice, a little bit of strong. Did that tree just talk or was it you?